Welcome back. So I'll be showing you how to back up your Samsung Galaxy A05s to Google Drive. So what you want to do is go into settings, and on the main settings page, scroll down to accounts and backup, tap on that, and then you should see two options for backup. So you have Samsung Cloud and you have Google Drive. So tap on backup data under Google Drive, and now that's going to start checking your backup status. You can see account storage here for my Google account. I have 6.1 gigs of 15 gigs that I've used, which is basically about 40% used. So I still have 60% of 15 gigs used. So that's important because you cannot exceed the amount of storage space you have in your Google account. So anyway, so if you want to back up using mobile data or metered Wi-Fi data, you can enable that. But for now, since we have Wi-Fi and we want to back up right now, just tap on backup now. And that's going to prepare your backup. You might be required to enter your password. And now it's backing up my data. And that is basically how to back up your phone, your Galaxy A05s to Google Drive. Now, as it's backing up your data, you can now exit and continue using your phone as usual, and it's going to perform the backup in the background. So now when you restore your phone, or maybe you factory reset and you want to restore it again in future, you can restore that backup once you sign in with your Google account. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.